Hi, my name is Liudas Butkus, and in this episode of AutoHodl, I want to do a review of Datum, what it is and what problem are they solving. So, in this day and age, we have a huge problem in our society that every single service that we use, like Facebook, Gmail, LinkedIn, Pinterest, whatever social media site that you use, they are all free, but they are collecting numerous amounts of data about ourselves and they are monetizing that data without us knowing. So they can sell that data to whatever company and you won't have any idea about it. And there's different advertisers, marketers that utilize this data to provide you different marketing campaigns, etc., etc. And there's even other companies that can utilize your data. So what Datum does, it creates your unified profile where you can collect all of your structured data. And structured means that, well, let's take for example Facebook. So right now you can download your profile from Facebook with all that info, and mine was like 2 gigabytes of data, and it has all your likes, your images, videos, etc. But all that data is not that useful. For example, these pictures or videos, because software can't really do much with that data. And structured is just like your likes, what you like, what pages did you like, or for example, your GPS data, where are your locations, coordinates. And this is structured data that software can utilize for different purposes. So Datum is a hub of your structured data, where you can connect different types of data of yours and you can then monetize it. And you have full control of your data. You can allow one company to uh, buy data from you, but if you, for example, don't want some insurance company to buy data from you and no personal information about you, you can deny it from that option. So you have full control of how you monetize it and how much you store, how much you give, etc. So let's do a quick example, and they already have their application ready. It's available on Android or as a web app. So let's take a look. I have already registered and they gave me 400 data tokens for free. And currently they only have a single campaign where you can get up to 100 data that Datum tokens per email. So you are not giving away the company your email address. It's encrypted, but you're giving away the right to email you. So basically, they will not have the access to your email address, but every time they email you, they will have to pay you tokens. And with time, there will be more of these offers, and overall, this is how it works. So yeah. Now about data security, you might be asking how are they storing the data. So the whole data is decentralized, and if you want, you can participate as a node that gives your computer resources, your storage, and earns that tokens. And how it all works. So your data, it's taken and you encrypt it with your private key. So even though it is on a public blockchain, but it is not economically viable to try and decrypt all that data on the blockchain because, well, every single user has their own unique key. So you would have to try and decrypt every single piece with a different private key, and that's, I think, economically not viable, at least with today's technologies, with today's computers. Maybe in the future it might be economically viable, but then they will find a stronger encryption algorithm, so your data is safe. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting project. They say there is 90,000 people using Datum already, I think it's a pretty interesting project. What I like about them is that they already have a project, their product ready and working. Obviously, there's not a lot to do here currently, but with time, with more partnerships, I think it should be quite good. So in essence, what they are is a decentralized data storage and a marketplace for data where we can participate uh, with your full interests in mind, where you can sell your data to one company and not sell to another if you don't want to. So this is it about data. I encourage you to check it out. It's an interesting project. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.